Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I was kind of inspired to do some watercolor because I had a new watercolor sketchbook and I was a little bored, so you know what? Might as well do some. But I looked through my Pinterest boards and I was like, you know what? I want to do something different, so maybe I'll do a dragon. I came across this purple one I considered, but then I also saw this cool dragon eye, but then I eventually decided on the purple one. First, let's get some water. I'm pretty excited to do this. I hope it turns out good. Also, I had one little chicken nugget for a snack. Okay, let's get started. First with the sketch, of course. Looking decent so far. My reference picture didn't have wings, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative and add those in myself. Let's get painting. First, some simple colors, then some more layers, some mixing. Ooh, now for the scales. This is gonna be so pretty. I'm actually excited so far. Now for the eyes, some more detail on the face, looking good. I'm not sure what I'm doing for the background yet, though. I'm a little nervous for that, to be honest. I decided on a misty, foggy looking background, but that didn't look very good, didn't have any dimension or anything, so instead I decided to do stalactites and stalagmites. So then it's kind of like more of a cave, you know? Still not sure if this was a perfect choice for a background, but it was good practice. And it's all done! What do you guys think?